Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by putting the Dodge Caravan into accessory or on so the Uconnect system powers up. This lets the head unit accept a new device. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone and keep it visible. That makes the phone discoverable by the vehicle. Then, on the Caravan touchscreen, navigate straight to Uconnect, select Phone or Bluetooth, and choose Add Device. Once done, the system will start scanning. Make sure your phone stays on the screen showing available connections. When Uconnect lists your phone, tap the vehicle name on the phone and confirm the 6-digit PIN shown on both displays. Matching numbers ensure a secure link. After pairing, grant permission to sync contacts and messages so incoming calls and caller ID work properly. If your Caravan supports Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, decide now whether to connect via USB or wireless. Make sure the correct source is selected on the head unit. Once paired, wait for confirmation that phone and audio profiles are active. Finish by placing a test call and playing a short music clip to verify both microphone and audio output work. This confirms the hands-free and media profiles are functional. Save the connection in Uconnect and, if available, mark the phone as the default device so it reconnects automatically. If you run into problems, delete stale pairings on both the phone and head unit, restart each device, and check for software updates. That fixes most issues and prevents repeated pairing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.